Anthropic just released a new AI model called Claude Design, and right after this launch, Adobe and Figma stocks started falling exponentially as the internet exploded with one big question: is this the beginning of the end for traditional design tools, especially Adobe's applications? People are already saying this could be the most disruptive shift that the UI and UX world has seen in years, because suddenly a tool is here that does not just assist designers, but changes how design work. And why is everyone suddenly worried about Figma and Adobe just after this release? Well, in this video, we're going to break all of this down within just 4 minutes. So just sit back and enjoy the video while you get to know about the most interesting AI story of this month. Claude Design is not just a typical AI model. It's something different. It is changing something much deeper about how digital products are actually created. For years, tools like Figma and Adobe have been built around one core idea. That design starts with manual construction. You open a blank canvas, you set up frames, you build grids, you place components, and slowly you turn an idea into a structured interface step by step. That entire process has defined UI and UX design for over a decade. But then comes Claude Design, which completely changes everything by removing the starting point entirely. Instead of building, you describe. You type what you want in plain language, and the model generates full interface layouts instantly. Not just rough sketches or inspiration boards, but structured screens with spacing, hierarchy, and layout already formed. That means the first step of design is no longer, how do I build this? It becomes, what do I want this to look like? And that single shift is what is making the entire design world pay attention. Because, if you think about it, the hardest part of design was never final polishing. It was always starting from nothing. That blank screen moment where ideas are unclear and everything has to be built from scratch. Claude Design directly attacks that problem by removing the blank stage entirely. You can generate multiple UI directions in seconds, compare them instantly, and refine only what actually works, instead of spending hours constructing everything manually. This is also where things start to divide people. Beginners suddenly get access to something that feels like professional level design output, without needing years of practice in design systems or layout theory. At the same time, experienced designers are not being replaced, but their workflow is getting easier and faster. Instead of spending most of their time building initial drafts, they now use AI to generate starting points and focus more on choosing the best one according to the brand needs, and then improving it. But this is not the full replacement story people are imagining. Tools like Figma and Adobe are still extremely powerful when it comes to precision, production-ready design systems, team collaboration, and final-level control where every pixel and interaction matters. Claude Design is not yet replacing that layer. What it is doing is removing the slowest and most repetitive part of the process, the early ideation and design stage. And it does not stop at just website or app design. Claude Design is now being used to generate high-quality email marketing templates as well, with layouts that already look production-ready. This shows that it is not limited to UI screens anymore. It is expanding into full marketing and product design workflows. A Twitter user also compared his own design with the newly launched Claude Design output. And what's interesting is that at first glance, the human design still looks a bit better in terms of detail, balance, and overall polish. But the real point is something much bigger than that. Even if Claude Design is only reaching around 80% of a skilled human designer, that alone is still a massive breakthrough. Because design is not just about perfection, it is about speed, accessibility, and scale. If an AI can already get this close to professional level output instantly, then the gap between idea and execution is shrinking fast. And that is exactly why people are paying attention to how far this technology can actually go. That's it for this video. If you liked the explanation, please consider subscribing for much such informative AI videos.